Okay, people. So what we have here, what I'm going to start doing is incorporating old and new photos that I obtained from my mom or that she sends to me back home. So what we have here is a photo of the existing chair or the current state of the chair that my mom purchased from off of Facebook Marketplace. I think she talked the people down from initially they wanted $60 for it. She talked them down to 10. I thought the chair should have been burned altogether. You know how you're driving down a highway or a street and people are throwing away a whole lot of their old belongings. This chair, in my opinion, should have been in the trash can. But without me having, I won't say the expertise that she has, but just the creativeness, the creative side that she has to look at something and know exactly what the potential that particular item has is beyond measure. Truly a God given talent. And I have it, but pertaining to certain things. In terms of reupholstering chairs or things like that, no, it's not there. But that's because those things don't really interest me. It's things like rebuilding cars, working on the inside of the house, um, rebuilding trucks, like restoration jobs, paint jobs, and things of that nature. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start incorporating old and new photos that she sends me based on things she works on, and I'm gonna incorporate it into my videos. Now, I might not have anything to do with the video that I'm recording, but I will place an audio clip like I'm doing right now along with those photos so you all could see what she's doing back home. She could outwork a lot of men for sure. She's like a master craftsman for sure. Um, Redoing cabinets, built-ins, creating her own built-ins, laying tile, painting homes, like you name it. That's what she enjoys doing. She can't do it as fast or quickly as she used to because she's older, but she does what she can. So if you all want to start seeing a lot more things pertaining to that, just let me know. Um, but it really doesn't matter if you want to see it or not because I'm gonna post it. This is my channel, so stay tuned.